Welcome to J&J Auto Wrecking's engine test for H2CA090. This is a 2002 Cadillac DeVille with a North Star V8. I did have to cut the belt as the power steering pump was what I suspected was making noise, and it was. Real nice and clean car here. Insurance buy, well maintained. Involved in a rear end accident. You can see the vehicle has 92,588 miles on it. Revs up nice and smooth. Once again, thanks for watching. This has been J&J Auto Wrecking's engine test for H2CA090. Thank you and have a nice day.